Hello guys, it's Ms.Sabrina with another video. Hopefully you guys are doing okay. I'm doing great. So the theme of this week is called National Bird Week. So in this video I will specialize in history about the birds, the different colors, because as you may know, some of the birds have different colors in their fur. They're really pretty, and some they only have one color, two colors. So I will be answering the two questions that a lot of people question themselves, which how birds survive in the climate and weather in summer and spring. And the second question is, how do birds feed themselves? How they look for food for their family or themselves. So hopefully you guys like my video, and let's get started. Birds, like mammals, are warm-blooded. Birds also generate their own body heat. Birds can survive in the coldest places on earth. They adapt to any weather. Birds find their own food by sight and sound. They find food easily. For example, they spot a bird feeder or a bush, they start picking at it. And that's how they find their food, and that's how they survive in any weather, and they adapt to it. Hopefully you guys learned something new in my video, and thank you guys for taking the time to watch my video. See you guys soon. Bye.